Feels like it's a man versus wild episode. I am again exploring two hidden beaches this time. There are a lot of seagulls. A seagull just hit my drone and I have lost one of the hinge, one of the legs and some water damage. Welcome to this new landscape photography vlog, taking some of the inspiration from the previous videos. I am again exploring two hidden beaches this time, maybe three, that's the count is unknown. This is the walkway towards the beach. Still finding the road to the beach. Feels like it's a man versus wild episode. We are almost there. It's like half a kilometer jungle. But the interesting part is that there are a lot of seagulls. I am not sure how will I get any kind of shots of those seagulls. Let's see if we can figure out. We are almost there. You can see the sandbar here and we can hear the water from this side, so we are heading over there. Almost made it. Oh yeah, आलोच की आपण. Okay. Wow. Damn, these are all seagulls. Just look at them. My God. These are all migratory seagulls. That's mandatory stuff. This visit marks the most critical visit, as a seagull just hit my drone and I have lost one of the hinge, one of the legs of the drone and some water damage. I need to repair my drone. Probably have to end this vlog here itself.